Hello, my Unreal friends. Now we have Unreal 5.5.1 and it's pretty exciting to experiment with it, right? Well, not so fast. If you are in the same situation that I faced, you might be having this fatal error where you cannot even get into Unreal 5.5.1. Before you watch the whole video, I'm gonna save you the time and maybe that could fix your issue. I'm gonna tell you up front so I don't hold you hostage. By reinstalling Unreal Engine, most likely it's gonna solve that issue for you. Now for the rest of the video, I'm going to explain some details that you may need to know for full context. You launch Unreal and then you get this message that says, hey, there's a problem with the bridge. But then I thought, hold on, there's an exclamation mark here. So I thought, oh, it's not there, so I just need to install it. Then when I try to install it, it says, oh, it's already there. Already all good, man. It's, what are you talking about? It didn't work out. So I wanted to do a little bit more investigation and I clicked on that information button and then I got this 404 page not found. How awesome is that, right? Then I went to read about this situation. There is no definitive answer, but of course, the typical advice is maybe reinstall it. So I did just that and reinstalled it. It worked out. But before you launch the Unreal, one thing you can also do is to click on this button that shows you the installed plugins. So as you can see here, I have both the Fab and the Quixel bridge. So that confirms to me that it's all good. Then now I launched the Unreal, and as you can see, I have access to the bridge and it's all good.